Good morning and welcome back to Incompetence Rising. I am your host, Alex, and we are going to do a thing. Okay, so in the last episode, one of the things that I likely skipped over, I haven't actually edited the video yet, but it was completely boring, was saving a water caravan. Y'all are just sitting around doing jack nor shit. Language, gotta bleep that out. Okay. So, we saved some caravans, and then the guard tells me, oh, oopsie daisy, we don't actually have any money for you, so come talk to this jackwagon.
Never returned, sir.
Shut up.
Gotta hand it to you, kid.
I'm here for my
It was a
reward.
brave thing you did, risking your life to start the purifier.
You look
But,
like you risked your life
know,
for a purifier with your
it
pale
made
ass.
my life a living hell. I'm guessing not. The hero of the wasteland probably has more important things to worry about, don't you?
And hearty hello to you too. I'm sorry. I'll be polite. Who are you?
Excuse me, I'm Bigsley, and I'm just a tad stressed out. Perhaps you saw that little line outside my door?
Got your hands full, huh?
Everyone was so excited about that purifier. Project Purity this and Project Purity that. But did anyone stop to ask, hey, what are we going to do with all that clean water? Well, guess who gets to fill in that tiny detail?
Is it you?
It'd be one thing if I had support, but that little war with the Enclave has depleted much of the Brotherhood's resources. And to top it off, I have to be mommy to a bunch of lab coats.
Nice. Well, how can I assist you?
Really? Well, there's plenty of things I need help with. But most of it's pushing papers and knocking sense into giant eggheads. A task for any acolyte, really. I'm sure I could put your experience and talents to far better use.
Killing people.
Well, I've got Rivet City water caravans needing help with some unusually organized bandits. Need someone to go investigate what that's all about.
Already done.
Then there's Megaton. They want more Aqua Pura. I just sent a shipment to them. Need someone to go visit Megaton and see what their problem is.
$5 says it's Moriarty. Okay. Officer Lepelichapadabadur said I was getting a reward.
Yes, I received a message from her. It's here somewhere. Well, no matter where it is, I know what it said. The Initiates just finished itemizing a requisition of confiscated Enclave gear. There were a few items that we didn't immediately send out. I suppose you're welcome to those.
Sweet.
The Brotherhood thanks you for your efforts. Now, if you don't mind, I think I'll just take a brief nap here at my desk.
Respectable. Gatling laser. Jeez.
Damn! Oh, I hope I can find that again.
Bigsley could really cut us some slack.
No kidding.
Alright. I didn't realize this was going to come with more quests. I thought I was done. Enter the presidential metro, aiding the outcast. Oh, right. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, I'm going to ignore that other request for now. Mostly because I just don't want to. Ooh, world map. White House Plaza. Museum of History. Penn Avenue North. Let's go that way. Okay, so the actual objective of today's episode is to break into the presidential metro system in order to make our way to the Enclave encampment and wipe them out, hopefully, maybe. Certainly hope that's what we're doing. Alright, screw off. What the hell is that? That'll work. Oh, hey guys. You guys doing alright? I'll take that as a yes. I am going to take your ammo, though. how do I get to the presidential metro? Kind of just eyeballing it at this point. More grenades. I don't need more grenades. Yes, I do. I always want more grenades. Let's go. Not this way, that's for sure. Okay. What is that? Ugh. Freaking Bethesda-styled ass glitch. You're probably a golf club or something stupid. Random piece of scrap metal that's glitched out. Alright, what were you guarding? Why would you even choose to live in these ruins? I don't think it's worked out for anyone. Find somewhere away from the ruins and just start farming. But no, everybody's like, oh, we gotta live in the city. Oh. Dumbasses. Okay, I need a better idea of where to go. Let's do a local map. Okay, so I need to go this way. Now, I need to get away from whatever that is. I feel like if it hits me, it's just gonna, like, destroy me, body and soul. Ugh. Okay, then this way. Oh, stop it. Stop it! Stop it! And there's supposed to be a door this way? Well, can't get up there. Where are you, door?
Hey.
Hi. Am I retarded? It's the frickin' manhole. Oh my god. Alright. Fox, keep your eyes peeled. God knows we've done a lot of tunnel fighting in this series, which is ridiculous. Nah, I changed my mind. Son of a bitch. Did I really miss all those shots?
Who's next?
Don't care. Moving on. Okay. We've made it into the presidential place. Now what? Is it Z? There's a teddy bear. Hi, teddy bear. I'm taking you with me. Whoop. Alright, moving on. Sorry, easily distracted, folks, but that's okay. Got a what in your what? Nuka-Cola. Alright, moving on. Ooh, ammo. Shotgun shells. Sweet. The good stuff. For all the heals.
We should be mindful.
Now, who's going down here just to break statues? I mean, seriously. What's everyone got about getting statues nowadays? Oh, snap! Beat your ass, Mr. Gutsy. Take all that. White House, West Wing, Admins, Air Force Base. Adams Air Force Base. I can read, I promise. Okay. Is this what I need? No? I guess that's not going to go the right way, maybe? I don't know. I'm just guessing at this point. I know there's instructions and all the things that I've done so far, but let's face it. I'm not going to read all that. That's a lie. I really do read all that. And then I just forget about it. Someone did not do a good job of repairing this.
Put up a fight!
You know, I think in my New Vegas, or possibly even the Fallout 4, I want to do a heavy weapons build. I never do a heavy weapons build. I feel like I did one once, and that was it. And I didn't even finish that playthrough. Please die. That'll work. Thanks, Fox. Ow. Son of a biscuit.
Since you don't seem willing to do the world a favor.
That's some good misses right there.
My chest.
I don't want to read all these. Yes, I do. Alright, Mechanic DT. We're still having a bit of trouble getting the new SYL02 Zoded mainframe adapted to our train drive systems down here. It's going to take another 72 hours to get it fully up and running. I've been pulling triple shifts for the past 2 days already, and the supervisors are constantly on our backs blaming us for the delays when they brought an incompatible system. I wish that I could go to sleep and just get over this over with. This is only high school bullshit. I'm lost. I'm freaking, and everybody knows everybody's watching. The switch track over between Adams Air Force Base and the White House main line is sticking again. I've dispatched a crew to repair it. I expect the line to be down more than maybe a day. We can shut all the trains to the alternate inbound line and just run them on a half schedule or something for now. Just a suggestion. After debating for a few days, the powers that be have decided to change out the vocal interface on the Zoded mainframe from male to female. Why? So they can give it a cute acronym and name it Margot. Then they can trot it around for the press so that we can all see where our hard-earned taxpayer dollars went. Wow, what a colossal waste of my time. Now I have to pull the mainframe circuitry array, flush the memory, all to get a new voice installed. Great. Just great. Oh, today was a beauty. I was called up to the senatorial lounge near the White House station, and someone decided to make a political statement by spray painting graffiti all over the walls inside the lounge, containing more than a fair share of Chinese racial slurs. They must have broken in while it was closed and did the damage. Hooray for security. I really dropped the ball on this one. Never send a robot to do a man's job. I spent the better part of the day scrubbing the walls clean of that filth and installing new fixtures. Joy. We got the new Sentinel unit up and running today. Pretty badass. Not only does it have maintenance capabilities, it can also remote command it to do repairs, but it is also a great riot suppression unit. We can use it if we ever have any protesters breaking down here again. Finally, a worthwhile addition to the robot fleet. There's a freaking Sentinel down here. It's a good thing I'm such a big, tough boy. Otherwise, that might be problematic. Okay, let's go. At least it gave me a warning.
Coca-Cola Corporation is proud to announce its newest taste sensation, Coca-Cola Quantum. Try one today.
I'm sorry, who's down here advertising Coca-Cola Quantum? That worked. Were you advertising Coca-Cola Quantum? Am I just hearing the loudspeakers? A lawn gnome with a camera? You taking pictures, little buddy? You know, I'm sure like 90% of whatever's down here is confidential.
Warning.
Hello.
Unauthorized
Margaret.
personnel. Warning. Due to a major security breach, this system is on code red. Alert status. Attempting to identify. This access point is restricted only to authorized personnel. Please identify yourself.
Override security parameters. Assign current user highest clearance. Science!
Please stand by. Override accepted. Clearance assigned. How may I assist you today?
I could use more info on this security breach.
Information is available on that subject. Please specify.
What's the breach all about?
Internal visual sensing equipment is detecting numerous unidentified persons in the southeast tunnels area. The individuals have damaged metro equipment and refused dialogue with our security units.
Neat.
In accordance with U.S. Security Statute A567/B, the use of deadly force has been authorized.
I'm assuming ghouls, since, you know, it's tunnels. Alright, what security units did you send to stop the unidentified
This
persons?
system is able to command a large number of mechanized security units. So far, 22% of these robotic units have been depleted on the breach.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, identify them.
My apologies. My sensing equipment in that area must be damaged. My equipment indicates the persons possess no internal body heat and are emitting lethal levels of radiation.
Ghouls. Worse. Glowing ones. Alright. What did they damage?
One of the main power relays for the Adams Air Force Base line has been disrupted by the forced removal of a main fuse. I have a replacement part on our main Sentinel unit, but I cannot risk the repair until the breach is dealt with.
Okie dokie.
System
Can you repair the train to the Adams Air Force Base?
negative. Repairs are currently impossible on the Adams Air Force. If the security breach is nullified, I will return to green status and allow the Sentinel unit to commence repairs.
I'm curious about this Sentinel unit. Okay, gotta go.
Will not be tolerated in the presidential metro.
Oh, good. Because I have security clearance, these robots aren't against me anymore.
Okay! Who's next?
Ooh, don't shoot the robots. They will turn on us. I'm not sure if I've seen one of you yet. You're tough as hell, whatever you are. Oh my god, stay still. I'm trying to shoot you. That settles this side. Go to the next side, I guess.
A nice day. Have a nice day.
Thank you. I hope you have a nice day as well. Nuka-Cola. Batteries and the such. Wish I had melee options.
No! Low!
Another glorious day in this man's army. Another glorious day in this man's army. Have a nice day.
You have something to say?
I didn't want to talk to you, Fox. Let's face it, I rarely want to talk to you. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Get out of my way.
Have a nice day.
Thanks. Please get out of my way. Please. 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 Please, 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 please. Please. Alright, we've done it. Thank you. Cool. You know, I heard a thing forever ago that they couldn't actually work out how to get a train to move in this game. So what they wound up doing is they created a hat that looks like the train, and you're essentially just wearing the train hat while it directs you down the tunnels. And that sounds fun. Son of a gun. Really? Yep. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and start doing some repairs. Thank you. Apparel. Turret controls. Shrugged? Nope. 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 That'll work. Reconfigure. Die already. Hellfire armor. I don't care about Hellfire armor. Ow. Please die. Okay, let's go. Well, pre-war money, why not? Okay. Hi, Gubio. My dog has realized that, the door to this room doesn't actually latch very good, so he can just force it open by slamming his noggin into it. Well, I'm not trying to turn this into another hour-long episode, so instead, I'm gonna call it here. Folks, thank you for joining me on another episode of Incompetence Rising. Shut up, Fox. Thank you for joining us on another episode of Incompetence Rising, and I look forward to playing with y'all on a sunnier day. Adios.